Hey, welcome back to Pappy Tinkers, and I'm here with another quick box opening. This one's going to be a short opening because there's just not a lot to it. Hey, welcome back to Pappy Tinkers. And here is a new box opening of the 50s American Girls from HASAWAGA. And this is my second set of figures from them. And I'll show you those in a little bit, but we're here to look at these 50s girls. They've got some nice outfits and era-styled hair and outfits. We open the box and it's all on 2 screws. Let's hurry up and get them out of there. Open for Pappy. I think I have the lousiest pair of scissors in town. And this is a pretty basic kit with these figures. The outfits have nice buckle detail, hairlines, buttons. You can see the socks pretty clearly, pleats in the skirts, high heels. Let's see if we can get this to focus on the faces. Very nice detail on the faces. Way better than I can paint. I still try though. If you haven't built any of these are pretty nice. These, besides adding some life to your builds, they also come with the decals. Now, I know this is hard to see on this sheet, but these are a bunch of white polka dots for the skirts, and better yet, they have all these eyes. There's 3, 6, 9, 12, so you can change the eyes a little bit, and they're actually different colors. But when you can use this for the build, it makes it nice, makes it easier. And this is my second set of figures from them. These are from the 70s kit. I did not use the decals for the eyes. I tried to paint them instead. And I'm okay with it. I don't know which is better. That's all up to who's seeing it. But they turn out very nice, and they look nice standing next to your models when you display them like that. And here's the, oh, she's losing her hair. I guess I didn't glue her hair on right. She's bald! Talk about hair extensions. And right there, she looks pretty bug-eyed, but from a little bit further back, that looks nice, and she looks good standing next to some figures. The seam lines are very, very easy to fix, including on their legs. There's, places where seams and a poor mold design would show. They're very nice for both of the figures that I've already built. I mean, that's pretty good. So if you're looking to add a little bit of life to some of your models or your displays, and you've got some 40s, 50s era cars, this might be something that you're interested in. And hey, come back soon. You'll see these built on my channel. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. See y'all later on Pappy Tinkers.